Repairing acid reflux problems. These tips will help. Acid reflux sufferers are no strangers to misery. No matter the reason for the condition, knowledge can start you on the road to recovery. This means you need to read videos like this since they will explain what needs to be done to get rid of this condition. Don't just assume your acid reflux is a fact of life or consequence of your active lifestyle. If you find yourself suffering through frequent bouts of discomfort related to acid reflux, see your doctor. It may be something you ate or an indication that you need to slow down in life, but it could also be something else you need to take care of. To lessen the pain caused by acid reflux, consider cutting spicy foods from your diet, including peppers and hot sauce. These kinds of food increase the amount of acid found in the digestive tract and make the situation worse. You can easily avoid acid reflux if you do not eat spicy foods. Smoking causes acid reflux, so if you have this problem and you smoke, you are well advised to stop. Nicotine boosts stomach acid and can cause increased occurrences of acid reflux. However, quitting cold turkey can also worsen acid reflux. Quit slowly instead. It is not only the types of food you eat, but how much you eat that can cause acid reflux. It takes a longer time to digest larger meals, which can place added pressure on your stomach. This can be avoided by eating smaller meals, which are spread throughout the day. Learn your trigger foods. When you know what foods or beverages cause you acid reflux, you can avoid them to keep your symptoms to a minimum. Some foods that often cause symptoms are foods that are fried, fatty, spicy, and carbonated drinks. These are just some examples, and what bothers someone else might not bother you. Intense periods of physical activity may be the cause of your acid reflux. Remember when you are exercising to drink plenty of water. Water fulfills your need for hydration. In addition, it aids in food digestion. You can aid the digestion process and help your stomach to use your food effectively by consuming water. Have you had enough of your acid reflux to the point of where you are tired of dealing with it? The time is now to make changes. Eat well, get plenty of exercise, and use the other tips here, and you will feel better right away. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.